Ito yung actual, yung transaction date kung saan si Kuting ay, ulitin natin uli. Yan siya ay nagpa-pulburon test. It's like more than 2 minutes lang ang mula sa actual hanggang sa report date. Alam na ng Senado, alam na rin ng House of Representatives na ang ating pinakita sa inyong mga dokumento ay hindi AI. Kasi ito'y pilit na ikukubli, itatago ng mga kapangyarihang nasa gobyerno sa 115 million Filipinos para protektahan si Marcos Jr. sa kanyang kabangagan. Ito yung actual, yung transaction date kung saan si Kuting ay, ulitin natin uli. Yan siya ay nagpa-pulburon test. It's like more than 2 minutes lang ang mula sa actual hanggang sa report date. Ngayon, questionable yan. Kaya dapat, magpaliwanag ang ospital, okay, ang St. Luke's, ang pumirma, ang analyst at ang head of laboratory, yung doktor, kung bakit 2 minutes lang kakaiba yung kanyang pulburon test. Pero set aside muna natin yan. Actually, sobrang lahat ito ay juicy. Okay? Mga kababayan, ngayong araw na ito, dyan sa Pilipinas, napag-alaman ni Maharlika, actually maraming nakakaalam. Kayo na lang ang nahuli. Okay? Na alam na ng Office of the President, alam na ni Marcos Jr., alam na ng Senate, okay? Alam na ng Senado at, teka lang, ito bagong papel to. Okay. Alam na ng Senado, alam na rin ng House of Representatives na ang ating pinakita sa inyong mga dokumento ay hindi AI. Bakit? My goodness. Yung pumirma po na investigation agent, napag-alaman natin, alam mo naman kahit sa loob ng Malacanang meron tayo talagang mga puting ahas na concerned. Concerned sila sa taong bayan. Concerned sila sa inyo. So napag-alaman natin, dated April 7, here's the date. Okay? Sulat po ito. That's the date. Ayan, April 7, 2024. Ito po ay patotoo na indeed, itong mga dokumentong pinakita natin and few days ago ay hindi po, fold natin, ay hindi po AI. Ito ay hindi AI dahil po dito sa sulat na ito na merong kopya ang PIDEA, Office of the President, kasi under yan kay PIDEA, under kay Kuting, at saka dapat naman talaga may kopya ang Senado at Kongreso. Ngayon, bayan, taong bayan, I think it's my duty bilang isang Pilipinong tumulo ang dugo o umagay ang dugo sa lupang sinilangan. Ito yata mission ko Kasi ito'y pilit na ikukubli, itatago ng mga kapangyarihang nasa gobyerno sa 115 million Filipinos para protektahan si Marcos Jr. sa kanyang kabangagan. Tama ba? Hindi ko pinangungunahan ng Kongreso. Kongreso, Senado, well, wala tayong aasahan sa Office of the President at PIDEA kasi hawak nila yan sa leeg. But I still have hope sa Kongreso at Senado. Kasi I believe may konti pang natitirang matino-tino dyan. Ngayong araw na ito, mga kababayan, para tayong dear Ate Helen, di ba? Talagang kumakabog-kabog ang mga dibdib ninyo Kasi gusto ko malumanay para manamnam natin ang istorya. Okay? Ngayong araw na ito, mga hitad, ay sumulat ang pumirma itong investigation agent na ito ay, I believe, sulat niya ito, okay, sa Kongreso, Senado at Office of the President confirming na ang ipinakita ni Maharlika, okay, ay legit, hindi AI. Here, I will read the letter. Actually, ito yan mga pala, pinrint ko lang, ha? Okay? Ito po yung letter. To ang address Undersecretary Moro Virgilio M. Lazo, Director General of PIDEA. Okay? NIA, Northside Road, Barangay Piñahan, Quezon City. So, sinulatan siya, Dear Undersecretary Lazo. Ayan. Greetings, sabi niya. Sir, the undersigned former investigation agent, which is dun sa sa papel natin na pinakita, is formally submitting himself to shed light on his alleged participation in the so-called PIDEA leaks concerning the documents presented by a certain Maharlika, a political blogger which this agency immediately debunks. Okay? Some of my former PIDEA colleagues warned me of the possible consequences of Maharlika's expose. Kaya nga 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo noon, ayokong pinagtatakpan ko pa rin yung pangalan kasi ayokong ma-risk ang buhay nitong agent na to na wala namang kamalay-malay dahil lumusot ang papeles o itong yung papel na ito papunta sa atin dahil ang nag-leak sa atin nito ay nasa loob din naman ng gobyerno na nagmamahal sa inyo na ayaw na nilang magkaroon ng pulboronic na presidente. But yung agent walang kamuwang-muwang kaya still pinoprotektahan natin siya hanggang sa magsalita siya talaga at willing siya magsalita. My channel is open. Tuloy po natin. Okay. The undersigned has no participation in any manner and does not know how the said person acquired it. That was me, okay, the said person. Please be informed that immediately upon his reassignment from IIS, okay, IIS is Intelligence and Investigation Service, okay, to the RONCR. What is RO? Comment nga dyan, hindi ko na research. RONCR and up to his termination in November 2013. He had no access to all case folders containing classified information stored and kept at the Intelligence and Investigation Service. So, terminate, okay? Terminate pala ito si Mr. Investigation Agent, okay? Kaya tapos doon sa department niya at inilipat dito sa RONCR, regional office. Thank you, Michael. Thank you. Yes, thank you very much. Okay? Concerning the classified information relative to the document that the political blogger is allegedly referring to against actress Miss Soriano and politician Bongbong Marcos and others. It is common knowledge at the agency's compound that the undersigned, the agent, was the one who personally interviewed the said confidential informant on March 10, 2012. At the IIS office in front of some IIS personnel who were present at that time. And the said interview was reduced to sworn statement. So yung confidential informant ay nagkwento, then ginawa, nag-sign siya ng sworn statement niya. The following day, which is yun na nga yung following day is March 11. Ito yung hawak nating papel. Yun yung pre-operation report. The following day, upon taking the witness deposition, he immediately prepared the pre-ops and the authority to operate. So ito na yung papel na una natin pinakita sa inyo. Okay? For possible casing and surveillance. A process under the PIDEA manual operations before the conduct of anti-polvoron operations. Okay? Unfortunately, the then deputy, listen to this, the then Deputy Director General for Operations halted the supposed planned anti-drug operation for unknown reasons. So, pinigil. So, tama yung impormasyon natin. Diba? Na pinigil. Although hindi pa napapangalanan si Ochoa dito, pero yung Director General ay ipinigil o tinigil ang in-stop ang operation ang pag-raid supposedly kay Terry at kay Kuting. Okay? Ngayon, tuloy natin. Following the guidelines on document security, all the acquired classified documents were securely placed in a folder with a blue cover sheet. Confidential, containing, eto na tayo, kaya may title tayong ganyan, pictures of some personalities while using suspected illegal chuchu o illegal pulburon inside the suspected high-end condo unit at the sworn statement given by the confidential informant, including the memo dated March 10, 2012, addressed to Department of IIS. Ito yung sinasabi niya sa sulat, mga palangga. March 10, ito. Okay, yan yung sinasabi niyang sulat. Okay? Ngayon, mga palangga, next page tayo. Okay? Together with the pre-ops and authority to operate, were securely stored and kept at the IIS office. If all those classified documents were continuously spread to unauthorized persons, okay? Ako yun. Kasama ako doon. Malay ko ba? Okay? Gusto lang naman ng ating mga palangga na malaman yung lahat na nagpupulburon si Kuting. Okay? The highest possibilities that they could be used for personal and political reasons. But my reason is not personal. It's for the people na makalaya sa bangag-bangag na administrasyong ito. Tuloy natin. Please spare me from this mess. During the late President Aquino's administration, I suffered greatly from this agency's former crooked chief. Yung chief na nag-halt nito, na nagputol nito. Actually, mariresearch nyo yan kung sino ang chief nitong sinasabi niya. Diyan sa mga article na-research na nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan niya. Okay, tuloy. If warranted, I am more than willing to submit myself to any formal inquiry your office conducts. I am hoping that this letter will merit your utmost attention. Thank you and God bless. Sincerely yours, lovingly yours, the agent.